gosh, check out my new CD. Wait, no, 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 no.
Make my life make me cry. I'm so sad. Make my life make me cry. I'm so sad.
Well, Adaptive Bell, the voters have decided that you are the first one to be eliminated.
Well, my time here has come to an end. Come on, guys, let's go back to Equestria.
Swoosh! Whatever.
I have so many
Can I go
questions.
back to BFF?
It's 3:14 a.m.
Your second challenge is to
Try not to get scared. Scariest stories. I wasn't scared of anything. That was until I met the scary man.
What? Bro, that wasn't scary.